Dirt, grime, oil. It is not pretty, especially on your home's driveway. Valley Surface Revitalization is the Sacramento region's premier surface restoration specialist. When it comes to your home's curb appeal, VSR has your back. Instead of using harsh chemicals that harm your plants and animals, we utilize the power of steam. That's right, our 280-degree water loosens and dissolves dirt and grime on contact, offering a deeper, more noticeable clean to your hard surfaces than traditional pressure washing. We also practice safe, California-compliant water usage standards by not letting any water go to waste. All used water is captured and recycled to be used again. It's so safe, we can even use it to water your plants. Call VSR today at 916-877-5733 for a free quote. Our friendly staff is here to help.